What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. This is going to be a quick hit. I've got my AirPods 3rd generation right here in the little case. You can see them. And I picked this up. This is by ICARER Originality, and it is a little leather case that goes on the AirPods case. So I thought we would check it out. Now, I picked up this case for a couple of reasons here. One, the price point. A lot of these cases can be $60 for genuine leather, $60, $70, and I thought that was kind of crazy. The other thing that I really liked about this is you can see that the top and the bottom are connected, and so I actually wanted that. I noticed that a lot of them are two pieces, and I was worried about the top kind of being its own separate piece. There isn't a lot of meat up here to hold on to, so I thought maybe if it's tethered, that would be a little bit better. You can see here how thick it is. It's actually kind of like a watch band. It's a couple millimeters thick, a little painted or burnished edge there. Basically, it's a little plastic case that is leather wrapped. I do like this color. It kind of has a old world leather finish. Oh man, that slides in there, and to be honest, it probably doesn't have as much resistance as I would like, but it's probably okay. It probably holds it on with both pieces here. So this top piece actually goes on with quite a bit of resistance. You can still see the little LED light right there, little opening there for the lightning cable. And now if I pull this open, you can see just like that, that top won't come off. And actually, I think the top is actually holding on the bottom there, but since it's tethered, you don't have to worry about either of them falling off. So I really like that. That is pretty cool. This is a nice looking case. It does the job. You can see that light still works. And I really like this color. Kind of a bourbon or cognac. Feels nice. And like I said, meets the features that I wanted, the tethered top and bottom, as well as the price point. So, protecting your AirPods case is important to you, or just making them stand out so that you don't forget them, or mix them up with someone else's. I'll put a link to these in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out!
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.